How to change your Instagram notification sound. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram notification sound. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your Instagram application and then you gotta click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. And once you do so, you will be redirected to settings and activity, and over here you gotta click on notifications. So once you click on notifications, you gotta select the category for which you wish to change notification sound. For example, over here I'm gonna click on post, stories and comments. So once you click on that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of notifications over here. Now, if you don't have the option of changing notification over here in the application, you can redirect yourself to the phone settings. So over here in the phone settings, you're going to click on notifications, and then over here you're going to select the application of Instagram. Just click on Instagram and now you can see that the notifications are allowed. Now you can select the lock screen, notification center, banners. Now you can see the banner style is temporary right now. So now over here, if you wish to disallow notifications, you can simply toggle it off. And you can also change the type of alert such as notification center, banners, lock screen and others. Now by default, Instagram has a specific notification, but however, you can integrate any different notification sound over here, and after doing so, you can save the changes and enjoy your new Instagram notification sound. So that is basically how you can change your Instagram notification sound. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.